Hey guys, so in today's video, I am recreating a makeup look that Priyanka Chopra wore at the pre-Grammy Gala. This was originally created by Danial Martin, and as soon as I saw this, I knew I wanted to recreate this. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and let's get started. So for this look, I am beginning with the eyes first and using the shade from my Freedom Chasing Rainbow palette. Now originally for the sparkly purpley eyeshadow, Daniel used the McGrath Submersive palette, but I thought this was the perfect dupe for that. And I'm just applying that all over the eyelid. And I'm also taking it halfway through my lower lash line. And then taking these two matte pink and purple shades from the Huda Beauty Electric Obsession palette. I am using that as a transition shade and basically just using that to blend all of the sparkly eyeshadow that we just applied. And then once I'm done blending it on my crease, I'm also going to take it on my lower lash line, and then I am going to use a clean fluffy brush to blend it further. And to finish the eye look, I've curled my lashes and I'm using the Bad Girl Bang Mascara, which I am obsessed with. I am in love. And then for eyebrows, I used the Brow Zings from Benefit. I'm just using it how I usually do. I didn't do anything special. And then for my foundation, I used the NYKAA Total Drop foundation in the shade Classic Tan. I started reusing this and I immediately fell in love with it again. I don't know why I stopped using it. And to highlight my face, I'm using the Vanilla shade from the NYX Face Duo and applying that on the center of my face and underneath my eyes, and then blending that in. To set everything in place, I'm using my new favorite loose powder. This is from Makeup Forever. This is their Ultra HD loose powder. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this at the moment. Then I use the Benefit Hoola bronzer on my cheeks and forehead, and also a little bit on my jawline. And followed it up using the Sweet Scarlet blush by Colorbar. For highlighter today, I am using the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette and applied that on the top of my cheekbone, on my nose, and a little bit on my cupid's bow. For lips, I'm using the Mattelicious lip crayon in Perfect Plum as a base first, and because this is a monochrome look, I'm taking the same eyeshadow and patting it on top of it. I also went ahead and styled my hair like hers, used a little bit of heat protection spray before I curled it using a 1-inch curling iron. I just took random chunks of hair and curled the top and left the end. And then I used the Batiste Oomph My Locks XXL volume spray. It's one of my favorite texturizing spray / dry shampoo. Sprayed that on random sections of my hair and then used my fingers to kind of blend it through. It just gives so much texture and volume to your hair. I really like this. And that's the finished look. I really liked how it turned out. It's super simple. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one.